Cindy, you accidentally left $1 in my hand.
Keep it.
Why?
I think you know why.
I don't. Why are you winking at me? Why you give me $1? My brain hurts.
I'm paying you to vote for Libby.
Oh, I get it. I will. But why did you wink? Do you like me? Yeah. I'm stuffed. I couldn't have a. I'll tell you one more. I'm gonna have one more, okay? That'll be it. I don't feel so good. Hi, Mrs. Neutron. No way, Sheen. You're not as big as a fan of Jimmy's dad as I am.
Oh, yeah? What's his favorite color?
It's pie.
Vote! That person needs to vote to decide the election. Who didn't vote?
Why is everyone looking at me? I can't decide. It's too much pressure. Hey, Jimmy. Let's talk all night and tell scary stories, and then we can share our personal thoughts, and then we can sleep, and then... Hi, Nessa. Go on in. Brown shoes with a black belt? I think not. Try the diner down the block.
Any questions?
Yes. Are you going to finish that croissant?
Knock yourself out. Let me assure you that...
Carl, give me your bag of Jimmy's hair.
What? I don't have any. That's not mine. That's not me.